Okay, here we go. First, we're going to log out. Then we're going to turn this off. We turn it off after we log off, therefore there's no cache at all. Oh, but we might not be able to do this, so let's go like here. Make sure everything's all logged out. Alright, here we go. Now, since Chrome's not working, we're going to go to this edge. Here's the help page. Check. Here's the tin page. Should be saved. Yeah. Alright, here we are. My home. These were all lost on a different computer, and I got some of them back. So here we go. Let's just put it straight into this. Let's not even be fancy. So create a pin. Let's get the smallest one at 600 by 800. So there shouldn't be JPEG. I lost a lot of followers because I've been reorganizing and merging. Meanwhile, let's see what the information on here. Is it huge? Is there a problem? 800 by 500, 9060 Ti. How big is it? It's only 106 kilobytes. It can't get any smaller and be useful. The original is 1.7 megabytes. And it's like 1280 by 1200 or something like that. Okay, we can't upload this for you. Alright, so there's the first one not working. Let's try a different section. Like something with a snake. Okay, let's look over. Let's just grab something out of the RPG area. Doo-dee-doo-dee-doo. Something with a snake. No, that's an umbrella, not a snake. Snake goddess. There we go. There's something with a snake. So let's just go ahead and say I want to put that in here. And create a pin with it. Speaking of which, your makeover should be here. cannot be uploaded, so that didn't work either. Let's see. Something shortening, blah, blah, blah. That section didn't work. So let's try something new. Do. So where's the DIY stuff? Can't find it, make it. That's what I'm doing right here. That's good enough. Let's see, we'll do it now. This is not very large. I took it back from my Facebook. I have the original on a different computer. Not very big. Okay, this should be enough. We don't want too much time. 6 minutes is more than enough to show you that it ain't working. Okie dokie.